Hey, welcome back once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a whole blog using a tool. So after watching this video, you are able to writing full article using this AI tool. So let's get started. First, I'm going to one-click article generator. So this link available on my description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website. So first of all, you need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough. Now I need to select which type of article I want to write right now. Example of I want to write how to make money online or 10 best place for living, 5 most popular product on Amazon. So I want to write 10 best place for living. You can write any article as you like. So scroll down. So you can see this is a really attractive article. Now just copy this one, then paste a Google document or notepad. Then you are able to use this article on your blog post and social media purpose. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you again. Take care.